Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook login error on iPhone after update iOS 18.5. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Update Facebook app. Tap the App Store icon on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down to the available updates section. If Facebook is listed, tap the update button next to it. Solution number 2. Check for software update. Tap the setting app on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on general. Tap on software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 3. Set date and time automatically. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on date and time. Turn on set automatically. Solution number 4. Reset network setting. Tap the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on general. Scroll down. Tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Select reset network setting. You may need to enter your phone passcode. Again, reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.